Premium feel, engaging dynamics. The moment it was released, the CX-50 started to amaze drivers around the world. But guess what? The next year's version is shaping up to get even better. Stay with us to find out more, because there are 7 reasons why waiting for the 2026 Mazda CX-50 is a genius move. Number 7. Class-leading ride quality. The current CX-50 already impresses with its balance of comfort and sportiness, but the 2026 model is making ride quality even better. Mazda's engineers have been working overtime to solve one of the few complaints about the current generation, that slightly firm ride that some found too stiff for daily comfort. The 2026 CX-50 is getting a retuned suspension system that maintains the engaging handling Mazda is famous for while delivering the plush comfort that families actually want. We're talking about new adaptive dampers that automatically adjust based on road conditions, giving you sports car precision when you want it, and luxury sedan smoothness when you need it. But here's what makes this even more impressive. Mazda hasn't sacrificed the fun-to-drive character that sets the CX-50 apart from boring competitors like the Toyota RAV4. The new suspension geometry will actually improve cornering while reducing body roll, meaning you get the best of both worlds. Road noise has been dramatically reduced too, with new sound-deadening materials that make highway cruising whisper quiet. Number 6. Elegant interior. The 2026 CX-50 continues to showcase what makes Mazda special, an interior that feels genuinely premium without the inflated price tag. While many competitors are cutting corners on materials to boost profits, Mazda is doubling down on the refined cabin experience that already sets the current CX-50 apart from its rivals. What you're getting with the 2026 model is the same attention to detail and premium materials that make the current CX-50 feel like a luxury SUV. We're talking about soft-touch surfaces throughout the dashboard, real wood trim on higher trims, and that distinctive Mazda design philosophy that prioritizes elegance over flashiness. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with premium leather upholstery available that rivals what you'd find in much more expensive SUVs. The overall cabin design maintains that sophisticated driver-focused layout that makes every journey feel special rather than mundane. This is exactly the kind of interior refinement that compact SUV buyers are craving but rarely find at this price point. Storage solutions are thoughtfully designed throughout the cabin. The center console is properly sized for modern needs. Door pockets can actually hold your belongings securely, and clever storage compartments are placed where you'll actually use them. Mazda understands that luxury isn't just about expensive materials, it's about making daily life more pleasant and convenient. What really sets the CX-50's interior apart is how everything feels substantial and well-engineered. Every button has the right weight and tactile feel, every surface is finished to a high standard, and the overall design creates an atmosphere that never feels cheap or compromised. This is the kind of interior quality that keeps owners happy for years, not just the first few months of ownership. Number 5. Stylish exterior. The 2026 CX-50 showcases Mazda's mastery of elegant design that never goes out of style. The Kodo design language creates a sophisticated presence that stands out from the crowd without looking overdone or trying too hard to be aggressive like so many other SUVs on the market. The front end features Mazda's signature grille design with clean, purposeful lines that give the CX-50 genuine road presence. Unlike competitors that rely on chrome excess or fake air vents, every design element serves both form and function, creating a cohesive look that feels premium and thoughtful. The side profile emphasizes the SUV's athletic proportions, with muscular wheel arches and flowing body lines that catch light beautifully. The slightly raised stance gives it a confident, capable appearance, while maintaining the sleek proportions that make it stand out in parking lots full of generic crossovers. At the rear, the taillights and bumper design create a sophisticated finish that ties the whole design together. The overall proportions are just right, not too tall and awkward like some competitors, but substantial enough to look capable and purposeful on the road. Number 4. Balanced tech features. Here's where Mazda really shows its wisdom. While competitors are cramming massive screens into every available space, the 2026 CX-50 takes a more thoughtful approach that actually makes sense for real-world driving. The infotainment screen has been upgraded to a crisp 12.3-inch display, but it's perfectly sized and positioned for easy visibility without dominating the dashboard. The new system responds faster than before and includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard across all trims. But here's what's brilliant. Mazda still includes physical buttons and knobs for climate control and other frequently used functions. You don't have to dig through menu screens just to adjust the temperature, which makes driving safer and less frustrating. Safety technology has been enhanced significantly, with improved pedestrian detection that works better in low light conditions and adaptive cruise control that feels more natural in stop-and-go traffic. The blind spot monitoring system now includes rear cross traffic alert with automatic braking, giving you extra protection when backing out of parking spaces. Number 3. Decent off-road performance. Don't let the elegant styling fool you. The 2026 CX-50 is genuinely capable when the pavement ends. Mazda has increased ground clearance slightly while improving the approach and departure angles, making it easier to tackle rougher terrain without scraping the bumpers. The all-wheel drive system has been enhanced with better torque distribution and new terrain management modes that optimize traction for different conditions. Whether you're dealing with snow, sand, or rocky trails, the CX-50 can handle more than you'd expect from such a refined SUV. New skid plates protect the underbody from rocks and debris, while improved water fording capability means you don't have to worry about crossing shallow streams or dealing with flooded roads. The suspension tuning provides enough articulation for moderate trail driving while maintaining the on-road comfort we mentioned earlier. Hill descent control and hill start assist are now standard across all trims, giving you confidence on steep grades whether you're going up or coming down. This isn't a hardcore off-roader like a Jeep, but it's more capable than most compact SUVs when you need to venture beyond suburban streets. Number 2. Proven gas engines. The 2026 CX-50 continues with Mazda's philosophy of perfecting traditional powertrains rather than rushing into unproven technology. While competitors experiment with complex systems that often leave owners stranded at dealerships, Mazda focuses on engines that deliver reliable performance day after day, year after year. The base 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine provides 187 horsepower and offers the kind of smooth, linear power delivery that makes daily driving enjoyable. For those wanting more excitement, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivers 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. The turbo provides strong acceleration for highway merging and mountain driving while still delivering reasonable fuel economy for a performance-oriented engine. Both engines are paired with Mazda's well-tuned 6-speed automatic transmission that prioritizes smooth operation over flashy gear count. The transmission logic is smart enough to anticipate your driving needs without being overly aggressive or hunting for gears constantly like some competitors. What makes these powertrains special is their refinement and reliability track record. Mazda has spent years perfecting these engines, eliminating common issues and optimizing performance across all operating conditions. You're getting proven technology that mechanics understand and parts suppliers stock, not experimental systems that turn into expensive headaches. The result is powertrain performance that feels more premium and sophisticated than the specifications might suggest. These engines deliver the kind of smooth, quiet operation that makes every drive more pleasant while providing the dependability that keeps your CX-50 running strong for years to come. Number 1. Super efficient hybrid model. Here's the game changer that makes waiting absolutely worth it. The 2026 CX-50 won't just be engaging to drive, it will be efficient too. Borrowing the proven system from the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, the new CX-50 Hybrid delivers 219 horsepower while achieving an incredible 38 miles per gallon combined. This isn't just about fuel economy. The hybrid system actually improves the driving experience. The electric motor provides instant torque that fills in any gaps from the gasoline engine, making acceleration smoother and more linear. The transition between electric and gas power is seamless, so you barely notice when the system switches modes. All-wheel drive comes standard on the hybrid model, with the rear wheels powered by a dedicated electric motor that provides precise traction control and improved stability in all weather conditions. The battery pack has been cleverly integrated into the chassis without compromising cargo space or ground clearance. Range on electric power alone is limited, but the system is constantly optimizing between electric and gasoline power to maximize efficiency without any input from the driver. With fuel prices continuing to climb, the hybrid's efficiency advantage will save you thousands of dollars over the life of the vehicle. Combined with Mazda's reputation for reliability, this powertrain represents the perfect evolution of the CX-50 formula. But can Mazda improve the market position of its compact SUV? Check out this video about the 2026 Nissan Rogue solving every owner complaint, which you can now see on the screen. With improvements in numerous aspects, many believe that the Rogue now has all it takes to become the segment leader again.